What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some McDonald's Snack Wraps. Discontinued menu item. Not if I have anything to say about it, because we're going to have it tonight. So, let's have it tonight. Let's go. Yeah. That's right, baby. The McDonald's Snack Wrap. And you're saying to yourself, like, I thought they stopped serving that old snack wrap. Well, they did, buddy. And you know, that seems to be the trend with McDonald's lately. They stopped selling all my favorite stuff. They quit selling the McRib. Of course, I went ahead and made a video on that. The link's down in the description. Quit selling that steak, egg, and cheese bagel. I made a video about that. The link's down in my description. And now, I'm going to conquer that wrap, boy. We're going to get in there and have a good time like Birdie. So, first thing that you need to do for a snack wrap, because what was the main ingredient? That chicken strip, man. So today, I went ahead and got some chicken tenders to make our chicken strips. And you know how you make a chicken strip? Give it some money. So, but what we're going to do today is we're going to go ahead and take our chicken strips, put them out, and I'm just kind of give them a light dusting with the flour there, you know. Just a little light dusting so we get a little crispity crunch on there. Flip them over and do the same thing on the other side, and you want to rub that flour in there and sing sweet meat, like Danny Glover in Lethal Weapon 3. Because you know that's where I got that from, right? I couldn't find a clip, but it's there, man. Watch Lethal Weapon 3 again. He's cooking them burgers, talking about sweet meat, sweet meat. So, get your sweet meat ready to go. Get you a pan, get it hot to try, buddy, and put a little oil down in there. Just that vegetable oil that I'm always using. Now, once you get that oil hot enough and it's ready to go, drop your little chickens in there and let them do their thing. Now, once you put them in there, what we going to do for some flavor, baby, what we always do, salt and pepper, baby, because I used to work at the old Mackie D's. Seems like it's been 100 years ago, man. But that's basically all they did on everything, just a little salt and pepper seasonings there. So, once you get your salt and pepper on there, let it sit for a little bit. You can go ahead and put a lid on there if you want to. If not, go ahead and don't, because you know me. I got time for that shit, so I just do my own thing. Now, today, like you see, we're making this fried chicken with the ranch sauce. And you're saying to yourself again, Black Owl, when I used to go to McDonald's, they had 2 different kinds of snack wraps. Well, you're right about that, buddy. Had this fried kind with the ranch, and they also had a grilled kind with the honey mustard. Now, I could stand here and tell you how to make that one, but I could save that for another video, and then I ain't got to think of nothing else to do. So, we're going to do that one later. Not for this one today. Let's go ahead and, like I say, put your chicken in there, put the salt and pepper on the top, and then you're going to let it sit a little bit and flip. And that's basically what you want to do. Flip it over, put the same seasoning on the other side of the thing. Going to be like Pink Floyd, go to the dark side of the moon, or the, undone side of the chicken. Put your seasoning on there, flip it back over. Once it gets a good golden brown color to it, kind of like them golden arches, we'll be ready to go. Then, what do you got to get to do, what you got to do? Tortilla, baby, to wrap it up in, you know. So, get your tortilla, put it down on that plate there, buddy boy, and go ahead and take you some shredded lettuce, because you know me, when I'm rolling, I want some green in there, that good green, Dr. Green Thumb. Now, put that stuff down in there, and go ahead and grab one of your little chicken buddies, put that sucker right on the top of that damn thing, too. Then, they also had some, shredded cheese on top of that thing. So today we got Colby Jack. You're saying why Colby Jack? I don't know. It's what was around. It's what I'm going to use. You can use any kind of shredded cheese you want, but if we want to stick with old Ronald McDonald's recipe, get some shredded cheddar or Colby Jack, something yellow. So, like old yellow. Now, put that on there. Last but not least, baby, got to have that sauce, because the sauce is the boss. And if you'll excuse me, I need a little sauce myself. Ooh, that's that old Milwaukee, baby. Cheapo, good stuff, not bad. Good enough for another. But this sauce I'm talking about is just classic ranch dressing and dip. So, go ahead and shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake that ranch thing like Casey and the Sunshine Band, and then I want you to drizzle right on top of that bad dude right there. Now, here comes the roll. And the thing about this is I'm going to break my own rule, because when you go to McDonald's, or when you used to go to McDonald's back in the 90s, when everything was better, man. You'd be cruising there listening to some Alice in Chains talking about, I'm about to get me a snack wrap box. So, you go back there and you get you one. What would they do? They would just leave one side open. They didn't fold both sides in like I do. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. Just take one side and roll it in. And then tighten her up good and tight, boy. And now, we're ready to go. What do you know? So, let's stand back and take a sight. We're about to take a delicious bite of the discontinued, but here in my house, snack wrap tonight. And I ain't got to go nowhere to get it. All I got to do is stay here and make it. So, let's look at it, you know. Alright, baby, the time has come. The snack wrap is done. And I'm having the first bite for my damn self if I can get everything out of the way here. Don't block that snack wrap. I'm going to have it whether you like it or not. This is where I like it, baby. Sloppy. But good. I mean, that's it. We nailed the flavor. And really, pardon me. Got a big old bite of chicken on that one. Excuse me. The thing about it is, it's easy to make. It's not hard to nail the flavor of a snack wrap. That's why it was great. It was a great little snack. And now, we got a great little snack for you. So, I want to thank all of you great people for watching another episode of Cooking with Bagawa. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, y'all have a good night. We will see you next time. Enjoy that snack wrap. And, yeah, love it, baby. Do it. Yeah.